this video, we're going to talk about how you can activate your Chase debit card. Now, this article reads, when you get your new debit card, it needs to be activated before putting it to use. There are 3 methods of how you can activate your Chase debit card. So you can activate a debit card by phone, you can activate a debit card online, or you can do it at an ATM. So we'll go one by one. For the first method, so activating a debit card by phone, you will need to call the bank's card activation number that can be found on the activation sticker on the front of your debit card. Then you have to listen to the prompts and have them connect you to the correct customer service employee. Once you're connected, you just follow their directions to complete the activation of your debit card. Now, that was the first method. For the second method, we'll need to activate a debit card online. So another option you may have to go through is to activate your debit card digitally. So we have to go to the URL provided on the activation sticker on the front of our card, which basically means the link, or sign into the Chase Bank's website. Now, we will have to have our debit card ready, as we will have to supply information to activate, and then we will just follow the prompts to finalize our card's activation. And the very last method of activating our debit card at Chase is taking the debit card. We have to take the debit card and its pre-assigned 4-digit PIN to our bank's ATM. We will insert the debit card in the ATM and use the PIN provided by the bank. After that, we'll just follow the prompts on your bank's ATM screen to finalize the activation of our debit card. And I recommend this option if you have access to a Chase ATM. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.